Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how John Joyner sells his products on castings.com and how he creates a product configurator without coding. John Joyner sells wooden boards like this. He can cut them in any width from 5 to 50 centimeters and any length from 10 to 200 centimeters. Let's see how he creates his product configurator on castings.com.
After logging in, go to Administration, Catalog Products to add a new product. Set a product name, a short description, a full description, and if you like, an SKU. Also select the category under which the product should be found in the shop. Click Save and continue Edit to create the product. To add a picture, scroll down to Multimedia and click Upload Files. To help people who use a screen reader, you should always set an alternative text for your pictures. Save again and scroll down to Configurator. On the left-hand side there are the configurator settings, the preview is on the right-hand side. You can resize the panes, and for small screens there's the full screen mode. Essentially, a configurator consists of three things: fields, which are grouped into field groups, calculations, which may use the values entered to calculate the price, among other things, and languages. Let's create our first field group. We set a name, a unique identifier, and select the single column layout. We open the field group to create a field. Again, we set a name and a unique identifier. We will need the letter in our calculations. Let's open the field settings. The data type is correctly set to number. For convenience, we set the field type to slider. Now there are two warnings: no minimum value and no maximum value. Of course, John Joyner can't produce boards of infinite width, so we click Set Now and set the minimum value to 50 mm and the maximum value to 500 mm. The default width is 100 mm, so we set the default value to 100 and the unit to millimeters. The width field is ready now. Let's do the same for the length field. Create a field, set name and ID, set field type, set minimum and maximum value, set default value and unit. The configurator looks good now, but as you can see, the price is still 0. We need a price formula. Let's create a new calculation. We call it pricing and select price formula as calculation type. We can either set a fixed value or a mathematical expression. The values entered in our input fields can be used by inserting the field IDs. John Joyner sells fir wood for 60 euros per square meter. In addition, he charges 1,50 euro per meter for cutting. Hence, his price formula becomes 60 euros times width in meters, which is width in millimeters divided by 1000, times length in meters, again we divide by 1000, plus 1,50 euro per meter for cutting the board to the desired width, plus 1,50 euro per meter for cutting the board to the desired length. As you can see, the price responds to our inputs now. Let's save the product and see what it will look like to our customers.